Mike Steiffel, the service manager with Heichel Plumbing.
And I'm Francisco Velasquez, plumbing assistant.
We use reed tools to bevel the outside edges of the tools, and we use the larger tool to bevel like 6 to 12 inch pipe when we're installing large diameter drainage pipe and water pressure piping for theme parks and all. So Frank is actually inserting the CPVC pipe into the reed tool tube, and he pushes it into the depth right there. And you'll see the pipes against the depth of the pipe, because this goes from 1/2 to 1 inch, so that depth is 3/4. And then as he's firmly pushing against it, he's rotating the pipe 360 degrees to bevel the outside edge.
Once the sheathing is dropped, the pipe has already been beveled and you can't bevel anymore because the device will let you know. As you can see, the pipe has been beveled in comparison to the other edge, which is straight.
They put the glue on the pipe, then the fitting, and then they push it together, and as they push it in, they turn it, and then all that glue isn't pushed out. It's pushed evenly because of that bevel. This tool will be for larger diameter pipe, from 4 inch up to 15 inch pipe. And what it does is we're not going to do it right here because of the shavings and everything and the noise, but it does a larger bevel so you can push the joints together and get a good proper glue joint. Or in some instances in PVC on drainage, it's so you can push the gasket fittings together, and if you don't bevel it, then you'll never get the pipe and fittings to push together on drainage. These tools may cost X amount of dollars, but the end result is I won't have failures in the field that cost hundreds of thousands of dollars to our company.